Anart designs offering distinctive properties and inventive interiors. If you can dream it, we can build it. Presenting a video on scaling textures for realism. Greetings, this is Daerner of Anart Designs, bringing you a video on scaling textures for realistic effects. We're going to use a wall that we've made in a previous video. Let's get that guy opened up here. Door mask. And we're going to apply a realistic texture to it and look at some of the processes involved. Now, first of all, this is our door mask, which we will use in other projects, and we want to protect this from screwing it up if we make a mistake. So the first thing we're going to do is save this as block wall 1. And you can see I have it saved from a previous project. Now, we want to apply the texture of a cinder block to it. I get a lot of our textures from sketchuptexture.com. You are entitled to several free textures a day, and they have a pretty nice selection. Now, we're going to take this texture, we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it in as a new layer in our file. Now, our wall is approximately 12 feet high. The cinder block is 8 inches. That means we're going to want about 16 cinder blocks, and we've got 6. You can see it just looks out of scale and ugly. So we're going to fix that. They have a scale command over here. We're going to take this thing, it's currently 1,000 by 1,000, and we're going to take it down to 400 by 400. Going to give us a couple extra clicks there just as insurance. There. Now let's first of all move this thing out, and to make sure we have it snug in the corner, view, snap to canvas edge. That way when we go to move it, it'll pop right into the edge of the canvas. Now, this is going to be 3 high by 6 wide, and we can do that 17 more times if we want, or there's a slightly slicker way to do this. We're going to take this, we're going to edit, copy, edit, paste as a new layer, pull it down, edit, paste as another new layer, pull that down. Now, we've got one row. Now, we've got one row here. We're going to go to the first one and go above it, layer, merge down to combine them into 2, and now layer, merge down again to combine them into a single layer with which we can work easily. Now let's start running across. Edit, copy, edit, paste as new layer. Pull this over. Again, layer, merge down. Now, it's only going to take a couple more clicks. Copy, edit, paste as new layer. Edit, paste as new layer. There we go. Now again, merge down, combine everything. And we're good. Now we have to cut out the door. So we're going to stop looking at that, activate the mask, and go up to our fuzzy image tool. Hit that. Bingo. You can see it cut a mask right here along the edge of the opening. So now we can activate the layer we want, go to our erase tool, and start erasing. Now this eraser has a slightly faded edge, so we have to be very careful to get all of it. Now We've got it done. It's shaped up. However, it is 2400 by 1200, the size of the wall, but the computer is happier using files that are based on powers of 2. In this case, 512 by 512 is about a right file size. So now we're going to go to Image, Scale Image. You see the little chain here where it scales proportionately. We want to break that. And we're going to go to 512 by 512. There we go. File, export as block wall 1. Yes, we'll replace it. This is our final piece of work. We'll go to our SmugMug, which is where we save our files for loading. Grab block wall 1. Watch that upload. It's ready to go. Get the URL for it. Now into RLC, we have our block wall from our previous project sitting here waiting for us. And you'll notice it's set up already texture translucent 128. So we have a good appearance at the cut edge. Our script is already set to forever, so it loads as quickly as possible. And now we'll just plug that thing right in. And there we go, a well-sized block wall. Blocks are just about the right size. I thank everybody for your attention. This is Darner of Anarch Designs. Take care. Bye for now. Anarch Designs, offering distinctive properties and inventive interiors. If you can dream it, we can build it.